Good morning. Happy Wednesday. It's Wednesday, April 29th, 2026. FOMC interest rate decision day. So that means no 1 DTE, no TLC trades. I'll be opening the Creen at the market open here in a few minutes, and then maybe get in a day trade or two. And then next trade I'd be placing would be the FOMC Iron Condor at 1255. 5 minutes before the interest rate decision. Dow currently down 51, Nasdaq futures down 44, S&P futures down 7, VIX at 18.17, up 1.91%. So I will fire my Creen with my bot. The bot's takes about 45 seconds before the bot will open a trade. So bell rings, I wait about 45 seconds and then manually launch the trade. The bots are located in the Trade Steward channel. As far as 2 earnings trades from yesterday, Visa looking like it'll be green when the market opens, and Hood will not. Looks like Hood will be a max loser unless we get some type of big rally. The thing I do like about earnings trades, I like doing them on Tuesdays and Wednesdays. It gives you a few days to get back into profits if it's in the red, but bell's gonna ring here in about 15 seconds. And there is the bell. Wow, Visa really well above the expected move. Launching my Creen trades. Wow, those were expensive. Got filled at 103. I think it's the highest it's ever been. My other account filled at 104. Got a $3 profit target on the Creen. Yeah, Ryan, you can't. I can't see the price. I can only see it after it fills. All indices in the red. Dow down 130, Nasdaq down 18, S&P down 15. Got a $3 profit target on the Creen. Need a little bit of a bounce, some theta decay. Yeah, I've had fill prices anywhere from $50 now to this seems to be the most expensive. I don't remember it being over 100 before. Getting our second bar here. A lot of earnings today after the bell. Microsoft, Amazon, Meta, Google, QCOM, then Caterpillar tomorrow morning before the bell. Creen up 2%. Man, it really fluctuates, doesn't it? Take a look at the Creen here. There's my Creen. So just need to get a little bit of a bounce. This is the Creen I put on in my smaller account. Did 2 contracts in this one. I did more contracts in my bigger account. And filled. Which one filled? Looks like one of my bigger account hit profit target. Yep. Beautiful. Plus $1,809.99. Now I just need my other one to hit profit target. These two trades, in my two accounts, they filled 12 seconds apart, and one has already hit profit target. It's just interesting to look at that, the difference in 12 seconds. Strikes. Good question. Yep, exact same strikes. My one that has not hit profit target, it filled at 104.45. The other one 103.35. So in 12 seconds, it was over $1 difference in fills. Boeing with a downside volume runner, big volume bar to the downside. Man, Visa, just unbelievable. Up over 10%. I need this other Creen to start producing. It's now only up 0.6%. Need some theta decay on this one. But yeah, it's crazy how different these trades can be. Now it's in the red, and they were 12 seconds apart in fills. That's it's wild. But yeah, it's in the red now. Need some up movement and some theta decay. Amazon trying to get into the green. Goog pushing up. It's like my two. As of right now, my two earnings plays are going to cancel each other out pretty much. This hood can get a bounce over the next couple days. Amazon pushing up now. Yeah, nice rip up in Amazon. Need the S&P to turn around. Seeing some theta decay in the Creen now. Just needed to get a little bit of a bounce. But S&P is now down through lows of day. Yeah, that's not what I wanted. Bummer. Let's hope we can get a little reversal. I feel like if we can get any type of bounce, man, it would hit profit target. Amazon pulling back a little bit. Goog pushing up. Amazon pushing up. Man, I was tempted to jump in some Amazon, but that would have had to be really quick. Nice little bounce coming in. Getting pretty close to that profit target on this second Creen. There's one fill at 107.45. I still have another contract that needs to get filled though. Come on, hit it. How do you just fill half? Darn it, man. Price coming back down a little bit. Shucks. Well, I closed half. Apple pushing up. There we go. Profit target hit. Two beautiful Creens, one in each account. Plus $2,410 in 19 minutes. Gotta love it. All right. Now, I'm going to get in a couple day trades here. Before the little break between now and the FOMC Iron Condor. Man, a lot of stocks really pushing up. Amazon, Netflix. Probably could have milked the Creen for more if I wanted to. Really nice state of decay there. Came in. There's been a couple times where I tried getting greedy and tried to extend it, and then it ended up going against me. So ever since, and it ended up being a big loss. So ever since that day, I've pretty much just let it hit the profit target, even though I probably could have gotten more out of it. Because you just never know what price is going to do. Yeah, man, it's great hitting profit targets so quick. I mean, 19 minutes. I mean, it's just so easy to hit profit targets on these trades. And honestly, the FOMC Iron Condor has been the better of the two for me. So, but knock on wood. But yeah, you can't really beat booking $2,400 in 19 minutes. Did you use a bot, Ryan, for your Creen? Yeah. You could trade the Iron Condor manually. The Creen is so hard to set up. I finally went to bots on it because I just kept screwing it up when I try to enter it manually. Some CI is kind of bleeding lower. Price bouncing a little bit here now. Ah, that's some good coffee. Yeah, Amazon, nice push up. I was going to get long right here. It's just it wasn't quick enough. Don't really want the VIX to contract much here. I like it when it gets really juiced by the afternoon. I remember one time we had an FOMC iron condor. It was like 300 wide with like a couple hours left. Um, and I really had some nice theta decay. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna trade anymore. I'm just gonna sit and wait. I don't think I'm gonna put a day trade on. I imagine things will start chopping pretty soon. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump off, and I'll get back on the live stream this afternoon at 12:50 Central. So see you then. Until then, take care and get a few things done around the house because there's no TLC trades or anything going on as theta decay will be minimal. So we'll see you this afternoon.